dosed with 100 micrograms of lysergic acid diethylamide number 25. I had an extraordinarily interesting experience, but I felt that it was an aesthetic experience, not a mystical experience. It was just fascinating, the changes of one's sense perception, and just jazzed everything up, and that was very interesting, and so what? Then later on, another psychiatrist approached me and said, I don't think you've really gone into this deeply enough. Because you see, this drug is something that you have to learn how to use, just as you would learn how to use a microscope. There's a certain technique to it. Supposing you're a biologist or a bacteriologist, you've got to learn the art of using the instrument. So I said, okay, let's try it again. I was very skeptical of the whole thing. Lo and behold, I had what I simply could not deny being an experience of cosmic consciousness, the sense of complete, fundamental, total unity forever and ever with the whole universe. And not only that, but that what this thing was fundamentally, despite everything and every kind of appearance in ordinary life to the contrary, that the energy behind the world was ecstatic bliss and love.